The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, built by CERN, is one of humanity's most amazing feats of ingenuity in the quest for scientific fact. Formed as a gigantic 17-mile ring of superconducting magnets buried deep under the French-Swiss border, the LHC is the biggest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. It is not merely a device, but a reflection of humanity's steadfast quest to reveal the deepest mysteries of life. Able to gather conditions that existed in the earliest moments of the universe, it represents ambition and curiosity on a scope never before tried. CERN itself, founded in 1954, has developed into one of the world's most elite scientific centers, having 23 member countries and countless scientists working together from all corners of the planet. Though the LHC is the crowning jewel of CERN's endeavors, it is also just a part of a vast network of accelerators and experiments that collectively form an exhaustive network aimed at exploring the very essence of existence. By the LHC, researchers continue to awe, proving that even in an era of fast-paced technological advancements, the greatest secrets are still yet to be revealed. Its impact does not reach only physics but also philosophy, culture, and the fundamental way humanity imagines itself in the universe. The odyssey it embodies is a long way from over, and the questions it poses will define science, society, and human imagination for generations to come. The Large Hadron Collider is more than a wonder of technology, a testament to 2 decades of aggregate human interest, imagination, and collective effort. Its presence is the culmination of millions of scientific advances. From the identification of the electron and the structure of atoms through the development of quantum mechanics and relativity, each step laid a foundation upon which CERN could undertake such a bold endeavor. Early particle accelerators, small by today's standards, set the stage for our knowledge of subatomic particles. But the LHC is a quantum leap of scale and ambition, a device engineered not only to probe familiar questions, but to uncover questions we have not yet thought of. Its building entailed not just technical know-how but also unprecedented global coordination, bringing physicists, engineers, computer experts, and technicians from nations all over the world. They were all bonded by a common aim to unseal nature's most profound secrets. This human aspect of the LHC cannot be emphasized too much. Behind the massive magnets, intelligent detectors, and miles of vacuum pipes are thousands of individuals, each bringing expertise and devotion. The operations of the collider are a continuous monitoring, realignment, and innovation because even a small glitch in alignment or energy would put experiments at risk. Scientists and engineers labor day and night examining petabytes of data pouring out of detectors. Each data set a possible window on the phenomena that might transform our conception of the universe. The collaboration at CERN illustrates that science can overcome frontiers, creating connections between cultures and nations, demonstrating that curiosity is one of the most universal human attributes. Scientifically, the potential of the LHC goes far beyond the finding of the Higgs boson. It has opened up as a proving ground to push the boundaries of the Standard Model, the model that for decades has accounted for the interactions of particles and forces at the most fundamental level. However, this model is also known to be incomplete, incapable of explaining dark matter, dark energy, or the unification of gravity and quantum mechanics. In high-energy collisions, the LHC tests these boundaries, holding out the hope that phenomena like supersymmetry or even new, unknown particles could be discovered. Every experiment is an unforgiving probing of possibilities, in which uncommon events need to be separated from noise, something that demands advanced algorithms and vast computational power. The quest is slow, but through that kind of exactitude and rigor is how the LHC can probe the very foundations of physics. Dark energy, the mysterious force behind accelerating expansion of the universe, is another tempting prospect for the LHC. Making up about 68% of the universe's mass energy, dark energy is still one of the most elusive phenomena in cosmology. While it is not directly observable, its influence on galaxy expansion cannot be denied. By recreating extreme conditions in the collider, researchers hope to catch sight of interactions that may reveal something about this mysterious energy. The LHC operates similarly to a racetrack, albeit not for automobiles or sportsmen, but for subatomic particles. It accelerates protons to speeds nearly equal to that of light, directing them with incredible accuracy before colliding them head-on in well-planned experiments. In these collisions, matter is subjected to temperatures and energies far higher than those that occur in the Sun's core, conditions believed to simulate the turbulence that ruled the universe during the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. Thousands of superconducting magnets, each cooled to temperatures colder than the emptiness of outer space, gently guide the particles along their trajectory until the time of impact. At 4 precise locations around the ring, there are collisions inside large particle detectors, ATLAS, CMS, ALICE, and LHCb. Each is an enormous high-technology camera capable of catching the transient trace of the basic processes in action. They are not just machines, they are windows into other worlds of physics that would forever be hidden, each with a specific emphasis that reinforces the others in establishing a more complete view of the subatomic universe. The ultimate purpose of these experiments is to reveal the most elementary building blocks of the universe and how they assemble into everything we know today. Already, the LHC has produced findings that have revolutionized the face of contemporary physics. Perhaps most notably, in 2012 scientists validated the existence of the Higgs boson, popularly known as the God particle, a long-surfaced but hitherto elusive particle. This discovery filled in a missing piece of the Standard Model, the particle physics framework which describes how fundamental particles gain mass. But as always with all great breakthroughs, the discovery of the Higgs boson brought new questions. Every answer only appears to open up more doors, inviting scientists into new unexplored territories, where all the established rules start to disintegrate and the mysterious awaits. Yet the majesty of the LHC's potential is paralleled by worry it has inspired. With technology that can duplicate conditions near those that gave rise to the universe, some have questioned whether such an experiment could create forces beyond human control. One of the most chilling hypothetical situations is that the LHC could create a microscopic black hole by accident. Black holes, with their intense gravitational pull from which not even light is able to escape, are generally found to be connected to large collapsed stars found in distant galaxies. The idea that it could be created, even in a small-scale manner, on Earth has caused a mixture of excitement and apprehension. CERN physicists, though, have consistently pointed out that any such black holes, if they ever did show up, would be infinitesimally small, unstable, and would instantly evaporate because of Hawking radiation, with no danger at all. Yet the notion itself whets imagination, fueling public fascination and terror. There is some basis for these fears, since the energy tapped by particle accelerators is tremendous. A dramatic historical instance much referenced is the incident involving Anatoly Bugorsky, a Russian physicist who in 1978 inadvertently put his head in the path of a proton beam at a Soviet particle accelerator. The beam actually traveled through his skull, searing a path of destruction and leaving him partially paralyzed. Miraculously, he survived and maintained his faculties. His tale is a sobering reminder of the stakes involved when human beings deal with forces at the edge of physics, highlighting both risk and determination of scientific pursuit. Theoretical prospects for the LHC creating micro-black holes rest on speculative quantum mechanics and extra dimensions. Some frameworks, particularly those derived from string theory, propose that our universe may consist of additional hidden dimensions beyond the familiar 3 of space and 1 of time. Under such theories, the energies produced within the LHC might momentarily distort spacetime, forming tiny gravitational wells akin to black holes or gateways into these hidden realms. If such phenomena ever were proven, the consequences would be mind-boggling, presenting entirely new perspectives on reality. They also pose serious ethical and philosophical concerns regarding whether humanity is ready to deal with the implications of opening up such profound and potentially hazardous knowledge. Even late theoretical physicist Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds in human history, issued cautionary warnings about appalling scenarios. He cited the potential that in conditions of intense energy, the Higgs boson might become unstable and set off an event called vacuum decay that in theory could unpick the fabric of the universe. While such a result is generally considered extremely unlikely, the warnings lent seriousness to the debate regarding the tension between scientific progress and risk of existence. Critics have questioned whether knowledge should really be sought at all costs, but defenders point out that natural cosmic rays, space particles with energies many orders of magnitude greater than LHC-generated particles, have been raining down on Earth for billions of years without disaster. To this, CERN scientists add the guarantee of careful safety procedures and the theoretical certainty that such dangers are infinitesimally small. Aside from these fears, the LHC has unprecedented potential to shed light on some of the most profound mysteries in physics. Of the most intriguing is dark matter, the unseen material that constitutes about 27% of the universe. While it doesn't emit or absorb light, dark matter leaves behind gravitational signatures that mold galaxies and cosmic structures on the largest scales. By examining the remains of high-energy collisions, scientists anticipate finding candidate particles for dark matter, giving humanity its first direct look at this hidden element of reality. The detection would transform science, compelling textbooks to be rewritten and giving an entrance to a whole new picture of cosmic structure. Also intriguing is the multiverse hypothesis, where our universe could be just one of many. If the LHC finds support for extra dimensions or otherworldly new particles, it would give serious weight to this concept. Although still theoretical, verification of the multiverse would forever change the way human beings view themselves, with our reality as but a single strand in an unimaginably large cosmic tapestry. The LHC also provides an opportunity to verify theories like supersymmetry, which suggests that all known particles have their heavier counterpart particles. These particles, if they exist, would help explain old mysteries in the unification of forces and supply dark matter candidates. The search for supersymmetry is ongoing, and while it has not yet borne fruit, its pursuit reflects the broader ambition of the LHC to probe the frontier where known physics ends and deeper truths await. But this quest necessarily poses tough questions regarding the boundaries of scientific aspiration. If there's even the slightest possibility of disaster, should we proceed along this course? How do we balance the quest for knowledge with the obligation to protect our kind and our world? These are questions that turn the LHC from a strictly scientific device into a philosophical melting pot, compelling us to come to terms with the ethics of curiosity itself. At the same time, the machine gets better. The high-luminosity LHC, a super upgrade to be finished in the latter half of this decade, will dramatically raise the rate of collisions at the collider, making it more sensitive and enabling much more accurate measurements. This will not only enhance the possibilities of spotting unusual events but also push the edge of what we can see. Looking even further to the future, there are ambitious plans like the Future Circular Collider that will see machines bigger and more powerful, pushing humankind further into the unknown. The LHC is thus far more than just a machine. It is a living reminder of the insatiable urge of the human spirit to explore. Its findings have shed light on the behavior of the universe at both its most microscopic and its most celestial levels, disclosing the sheer beauty and complexity of being. And yet, it also serves to remind us of our limitations and our duties, for with such power comes the need for humility as much as for aspiration. The Collider is both an achievement of human ingenuity and a testament to the fact that pursuit of the truth is never risk-free, but it is this very willingness to take on the unknown that makes us a species.